I count what the engines do.
Yeah, you could count the engines.
This is the longest geotrax ever. It's the 26.
Is it? Count them.
I know. There's 24. Then plus the engine is
Count 'em.
26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. See, I told you.
Very good.
Now I'm not going to do it again. Wait. Do I have to do it again?
Do what again?
The video.
No, not the video again.
Yay. And I can do my train. I'll wait for you then. Okay?
Okay.
Wait for you. I'll wait till this step. Like that. And it's off the bridge. I'll go. Okay, Dan? Okay. Okay. Mine is on the bridge.
Yeah.